So you might be wondering, how did I become virtual? How did I come up with this concept of becoming a virtual sports chiropractor? Well, the pandemic kind of threw a little bit of a curveball into my vision as a physician, where I had to figure out how to connect with you a lot better and also help you. Because guess what? When the pandemic hit, everything shut down and we all were searching for answers. And that's where I really kind of felt a need to kind of help you all really understand how to fix your ailments, and understand too, there's a lot of stuff you can do from the comfort of your home where it doesn't require tons of medical intervention. It's been a pleasure actually working with so many people across the US and really educating them on things they can do when it comes to using myofascial techniques, corrective exercise, nutrition, proper training plans, all that goes into it. But if you want to learn more about how to work with me, the virtual sports chiropractor, click the link down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.